In today's video, we'll be comparing the Doogee S200 versus Doogee S Pump. If you find our content helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. You'll find all the links in the description below if you're interested in learning more about or picking up one of these devices. Now let's dive into the comparison. Design. Body material. Weight. Dust and water resistance. Stereo speakers. Dimensions. Display. Size. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Type. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Colors and brightness. Protection. Rear camera. Video recording. Selfie camera. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. Operating system. Antutu benchmark. Storage. RAM. Internal memory. Universal flash storage. Card slot. Battery. Capacity. Charging input. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse charging. Connectivity. SIM card. Network. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Navigation. NFC. .3.5mm jack. Radio. Security. Fingerprints. Face unlock. Results. Price. What's the best choice for you? Please drop a comment below. It's very important to us. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join our community. Before you go, check out this other video that's appearing on your screen. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.